Looking for a fun activity during long car rides? A great way to liven them up is to play Punch Buggy. Punch Buggy, also called Slug Bug and Punch Bug, is a fun game you can play while on the road. The game consists of punching a person lightly whenever a VW Beetle is spotted. Following the rules properly will allow you to have an enjoyable time on the road. To play Punch Buggy, you want to first identify a buggy, or a VW Beetle. A VW Bug is a small car with rounded features and a VW logo. As soon as you call out Punch Buggy, you want to punch the person closest to you in the upper arm. You are not allowed to call Punch Buggy as you pass a Volkswagen dealership. Each Punch Buggy you call, you get 1 point. While there's no set number of points to win, you can crown a winner based on who has the most points by the end of the trip.